Hi guys, here's an update on my Ford Explorer. You remember I had the transmission cooler leak on this car, and the mid pipe also had that mesh, and that mesh that was kind of shredded and was making a little bit of a chattering noise. So I had all of this fixed by Ford on the warranty, and I'll show you in a moment what it looks like. It's all brand new mid pipe. The transmission cooler has been replaced, and also I put my winter tires, my snow tires on it. If you see, I don't have the black rims on anymore. These are the original rims that came with it. They're 21 inch, and they are Pirelli Scorpion winter tires. And the reason I bought these is because I couldn't find any tire in that size at the moment I needed them. These are the 275 45 21 inch ones, and it's hard to find an SUV tire in that size because they're either taller, 22 inch, or 20 inch. So 21 inch is pretty rare, but I found these and had them last winter, and they're still good, so hopefully they'll be fine to drive in the snow. Okay, let's have a look underneath. I'll try to go underneath here so you guys can look. Let's see how we can do this. All right, there you can see where the leak was from the transmission cooler there. I'm not sure how much you can see on the camera, but let's try. And as well as the mid pipe. See, that's that mesh that was shredded on the old one. I don't know why, but now it's brand new. And also here you can tell the old pipe and the new pipe, the difference. So yeah, that's what it looks like underneath my 21 Explorer. So a lot of people talk bad about these vehicles, say that nothing holds up, everything is crap and keeps breaking down. And yeah, I agree. Some things shouldn't have happened, like the transmission cooler shouldn't have broken, or that pipe, but the quality is still pretty good of this vehicle. The reason I point at the seat is I also was told that the seats don't hold up, the leather is not good, but see, it's pretty good still. 33,000 miles, and you don't see any damage on the seats. Still looking pretty good. Same as the steering wheel, everything is still good, and I think the quality isn't bad. It's a pretty nice interior in the cabin. What I don't like is all the electronics that tend to have some issues from time to time, and as well as some other stuff, like for example the recent transmission issue that I had, or that pipe. But other than that, the Explorer is fine. I hope I'll be safe during this winter, and yeah, that was it for today. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, you know it, and share if you want to, and I'll see you next time.